Protein sources are carefully gathered to meet nutritional standards. Every bag of dog food begins far from the factory floor.
Quality is verified before anything moves forward.
Vegetables add balance, fiber, and essential vitamins.
Once approved, raw materials begin their journey to the factory. Dog food ingredients now move under controlled transport conditions. Every dog food factory begins control before processing starts. Dog food ingredient loads are measured with precision.
Accurate positioning protects dog food quality and safety.
This is the controlled entry point of dog food production.
The dog food factory stands ready to transform raw ingredients into nutritious meals. Every dog food shipment is verified before stepping inside production zones.
Dog food ingredients are staged carefully for the first step in production.
These conveyors guide the dog food ingredients toward their first transformation.
Every batch of dog food is inspected before the processing journey truly begins.
Each ingredient for dog food undergoes thorough cleaning to ensure purity. Proteins are sorted precisely to maintain consistent nutrition in dog food.
Vegetables are cleaned meticulously to add essential vitamins to dog food.
Every batch is checked to remove any impurities before dog food production continues.
Now, the dog food ingredients are ready for their first major transformation.
Dog food ingredients are ground and blended to form a consistent base mixture.
Cooking ensures dog food is safe, digestible, and ready for extrusion. Careful cooling preserves nutrients and prepares the mixture for shaping.
Extrusion forms the kibble shapes that dogs will enjoy. Only perfectly shaped dog food pieces continue toward drying and finishing. Drying removes moisture, giving dog food the perfect crunch and shelf stability.
Flavors and nutrients are added to make every piece appealing to dogs.
Cooling ensures dog food maintains quality and prevents sticking before packaging.
Sizing guarantees uniformity in every bag of dog food.
Even with automation, human eyes ensure only the best dog food reaches packaging.
Robotic precision guarantees consistent portions in every dog food package. Sealing locks in freshness and keeps dog food safe during transport.
Labels provide important information for pet owners while maintaining production speed.
Automation streamlines palletizing, making large-scale dog food production efficient. Each bag of dog food undergoes a final precision check before packaging. Even trace contaminants are removed, keeping dog food safe for pets.
Manual verification ensures every batch of dog food meets standards.
Boxes are filled precisely, ready for safe transport.
Every package of dog food is tracked for traceability and delivery accuracy.
Representative samples are collected to ensure consistent dog food quality.
Scientific tests verify that each batch of dog food meets nutritional standards. Moisture content is critical for dog food safety and longevity. Microbial tests ensure every batch of dog food is safe for consumption.
Only dog food that passes every quality test moves forward to distribution.
Finished dog food boxes are stacked efficiently, ready for shipment. Shrink wrapping secures the dog food for safe transport.
Dog food pallets are stored carefully until they are ready to be delivered.
Efficient logistics ensure dog food reaches stores and homes without delay.
And this is how modern factories produce dog food from start to finish.